Okay, I'm going to show you how to hang up your P90X pull-up bar. So the first thing I want to look for, this whole flat piece, it has a foam strip on it. I'm going to hang it above the door frame, and it needs to be perfectly in line. Sometimes when you hang it up, it'll end up like crooked like that, and that's not safe. So I hang it, and then I come around, make sure it's smooth.
Wait, I'm going to zoom in.
Okay, next thing I'm going to look at, come on to the other side. You have foam handles, which is where your hands hold all over the place. But then here you have this rubber crisscross piece. You have one on each side. You want to make sure that the rubber is on the door frame on both sides. If you end up putting it off too far, now this tube is going to make a dent in your wall, and you don't want that. So just try to center it so that there's rubber touching both sides of the door frame. Okay, so I'll do some pull-ups so you can see that because I'm on this side of the apparatus, it's not going to fall off over there. I have to lift it for it to come down. If I pull down, it's going nowhere. Okay, I'm just going up with some pull-ups and it doesn't fall off the wall. Or you can do with your chair. Put my chair right there. And use one foot like that. You can use 2 feet, however you want. So I'm going to show you how you can use your tubing if you don't want to actually pull up or use a chair. Hook your tubing over anywhere. There's all kinds of loops anywhere you want to do it. And then you can back up. The further you back up, the harder it's going to be. But then you can use this. And there's all kinds of examples. There's always somebody showing an example of how to use the tubes. That's it, but it's a good place to hang your tube. Okay. And then the way you want to work like your lats, and you want to have it wider. Just hook it through.
Okay, so I'm going to come around and
yeah, so you can see what I did. Right, I hooked it through these holes here, so it's wider. And that way I can come down and work wider this way. Okay. And that's it.
Yep.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how to take it off when you're all done. So I just grab it, I lift and angle it, and ta-da! It comes off. And I'm just going to go hang it on the wall in the closet where I put a special spot for it. No marks, no dents, and no hardware or bolts or things, holes drilled in my wall.